Hey, it's Eric Catcher with Century 21. Where am I at today? Well, today I'm bringing you an amazing treat here in Alta Sierra. If you are looking for one of these hard to find, flat, level pieces of property in Alta Sierra that's completely landscaped, front and back, has extra garage space, plenty of bathrooms, all completely remodeled, kitchen all remodeled, and wait till you see the backyard with RV access and storage area there too. So let's go check it out. Hey, welcome into this beautiful property here located in Alta Sierra on David Way. You're gonna love the formal living area with the gas fireplace, all the remodeled bathrooms that we have tucked back in there too. And then you can see in here, it goes right there to the updated kitchen that we have, and it's got the laundry room and into the garage space there. And as you actually come walking through here into this amazing space, which is one of my favorite rooms, which is this very large family room with this really cool ceiling. And then you can see right here that it goes right out here to the patio and the covered patio there with the fire pit and all fenced yard, grass, hot tub that's gonna come with it as well. So you guys, let's go check that out here in just a moment. All right, welcome back to this amazing backyard that you just feel like it's just a picture perfect yard. You got this nice little gazebo coverage here that you can actually see, which is nice. It's got a built-in TV that's gonna stay. The built-in hot tub's gonna stay. It comes right off the family room there. But check out this backyard. You got this kind of a river runs through it kind of feel. All fenced, pet friendly. Barbecue area right there, which is great. And you can see you've got an extra shed and you've got a large area for an RV to be stored there as well. Thank you so much for joining us today on this spectacular backyard and this wonderful home here in Alta Sierra on this flat lot. You can see here how beautiful it truly is. So please subscribe to our channel. If you'd like to know a little bit more about this property or others, feel free to reach out and we'll talk soon and we'll see you at the next one. Take care.